In this video, you'll learn how to gather system inventory and service data using Windows OneCLI. Go to support.lenovo.com. Click Data Center. Type OneCLI in the search field and click the search icon. The LXCE OneCLI tool page is displayed at the top. Open the LXCE OneCLI tool page. Scroll down and click the expand arrow in the Download OneCLI section. Select the executable OneCLI version in the Windows section. Download the exe file. Run the downloaded program with administrator privileges. Without administrator privileges, the FFDC log collection will fail, and some messages collected by OneCLI will be missing. The program will begin collecting system inventory and service data. The inventory results and service data will be written to the specified directory. Once complete, the console will be closed automatically. Go to the specified directory to view the logs. The index.html report is located in the directory prefixed with OneCLI inventory. Click it to open the HTML report. Use the navigator on the left side of the page to search for the content you are interested in. The details can be viewed on the right side of the page. Using OneCLI locally on a Windows server. Download the OneCLI zip file from the OneCLI tool page. Open a command prompt window with administrator privileges. Navigate to the directory where the utility was extracted. Run the OneCLI inventory getinfo command to collect system logs with the following parameters. FFDC to retrieve the BMC FFDC data. HTML report to generate a HTML file. And output to specify where to store the files. If the output parameter is not specified, the default directory will be OneCLI/logs. Once complete, go to the specified directory to view the generated logs. Collecting logs remotely with OneCLI for a target server. To remotely gather system inventory and service data for a target server using OneCLI. Execute the OneCLI inventory getinfo command. And include the BMC parameter with the target server's BMC access details.